Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday. I hope this finds you well. Yeah, it's a little bright in here today. The sun is out, which is great, but it's only going to be about a high of 37 today. So I decided to put the sunglasses on just for a second. So anyway, yeah, it's a little bright in here, and of course I'm wearing white because I'm pure. Yeah, just a few things I want to chat about today, and you probably saw the title about finding your community, and I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Easter, I can't believe Easter is coming up in a couple of weeks, and you don't live in my building here, but I'm on the 3rd floor, and a neighbor and I always put out some Easter candy starting next Sunday for a week. It is something we do. I'm not a big candy person, you know. I'm sweet enough as it is. So anyway, I'm putting the candy out, but the residents in this 5-story big building enjoy that, and I do it every year as best as I can, and she helps me. So Miss Paula, thank you very much. Yeah, somebody was asking me about my daffodils that I bought the other day. Look at these babies. I got these on. They're not like a rose, okay? But they do smell a little bit. But aren't these beautiful? I got these on Friday on oh God, just in the afternoon for spring, first day of spring. I can't even think. And they're just doing well. And I have like 4 of them in the window that are going crazy because of the sun. So I'm really happy about that. I've been cooking a little bit today. I pulled out. I have a few different cookbooks, but I used to print off all these recipes and things, and I can't tell you how many sheets of paper I have with recipes. But I had a taste the other day. I make an awesome cheddar garlic grits and shrimp. So shrimp and grits with this wild caught shrimp that I get in my local store here around the corner, and it's amazing. I have not made it probably in a couple of years. I thought I'm going to go out, buy my organic yellow grits, not the kind in the can, but I think it's Bob's Mill or something like that. So that's what I use, but I'm going to do that, I think, tomorrow. Can't wait. So, see, I'm a single guy, so all you single fellas out there, look what you're missing out. I could be cooking for you. Speaking of cooking, I want to thank the people who have been ordering my seasoning, which is right here. I have 2 out of the 16, although I'm going to get rid of a couple of them. And I think I'm going to get rid of eventually the dill pickle seasoning because it's not a fad anymore. And the pizza pasta seasoning is probably going to go, and I've had that forever. I want to keep things that are selling and up to date. The dill pickle I'll probably still keep for myself because I love it. I put it on popcorn, but it's gonna go real soon, I think. Real soon. Speaking of which, some people said, are you ever gonna do another cooking video? Because I used to do this every once in a while, and that is a yes. My friend PJ Gray, who wrote Bear Cooking and More Bear Cooking, he and I did a cooking thing a few years ago, and I can't even remember off the top of my head what we made, but we're playing another date, and so that'll be great. So we're going to be doing something out of one of his cookbooks using this lovely seasoning, the taco seasoning. He's got something up his sleeve that he's planned. So, and I hung out with him this past weekend, along with my friend Eric. So it was a very chilled out, very nice weekend. Speaking of planning ahead, I cannot wait. I'm going to be in Palm Springs, California in a month. It's my go-to place. I love it. If you're going to be out there, let's hang out. It's beautiful. I'm usually there April and in the fall sometime. But boy, if I could live there seasonally like a snowbird, I would do that. But it takes lots of money to do this and other things. So I'm looking forward to that. Being by the pool, having a cocktail, doing a lot of walking, breathing in the bright air, seeing friends, the people I love. So that is going to be great. I wanted to talk about, I've been running into some people lately and they said, how can you be so positive and where do you reach out for the community during these difficult times? And I always tell people, you know, what is the alternative to that? I can choose to be sad, depressed, and unhappy, but we need to choose hope and peace. What we are going through right now in this horrible time in the United States and our world is going to be temporary. And you may say, yeah, sure, it's going to last a long time. Not so much. We need to have hope, and that's what's going to guide us to a better future. And I want to be positive about that. Some people are saying, oh, I'm having trouble finding my tribe, finding my community. Get out on the net. Get out in your community. There's people that are doing beverage groups that I belong to on a Friday, where those extensions with those people can be dinners out, going to movies, theater, music, those kinds of things. I'm hearing from a friend of mine who watches in Tallahassee. Thanks for watching. He's going on a Baird Daddy cruise with a bunch of Baird guys that does all these trips. That's awesome. That's your tribe. That's your community. So find your community. Get online. Create a group. If you don't have one, talk with people. Get together, because it's so important now more than ever that we put our phones down and share our stories, look at one another, and engage, because we really have to engage and be there for one another. It's a real lonely time for a lot of people, and trust me, I have felt the loneliness. You know, I'm single. I felt the loneliness at times. I know a lot of people, but at times it can be a little bit of a struggle, but you just know it's a temporary thing. So get out, take a trip, do something on the weekend, bring people along with you. Be positive and get out there, and that's my whole mission, at least for today while you're watching. And I hope you can share this post, like it. I appreciate that, because I think it's really important that we're all there for one another, and I love the engagement that I have with people all over the world and in the U.S. that watch this, and I would like to increase those numbers to bring people along and connect people. So thank you for doing that. So that's all I got. I know I'm running over a little head today. I'm watching a little clock up here. So I want you to subscribe, like, and share. Leave me a comment. Say hello anytime you want. I'm glad for the follow. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. Have a great Monday and a great week. And then we'll talk to you on Thursday. I'll see you soon. Bye.